everyone, this is Amisa Kesri and today we are going to learn a speech on Teachers' Day. So let's begin. Very good morning to the respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today I feel honored to stand here and welcome our prestigious teachers on this occasion of Teachers' Day. Words fall short when I start to describe how important role the teacher plays in any student's life. I can only say what our Vedas also teach us, that Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Brahm Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. It means that a teacher in himself is a comprisal of all forms of gods, and that's why a teacher's place is considered above God in our society. In our history, a teacher has given utmost importance because a mother's womb gives shape to a human body, but a teacher gives shape to human values, which further strengthen our society as humanity and helps it in becoming progressive. A teacher opens a window of thousands of opportunities for students to lead them on a good path in life. The relationship between a student and a teacher is like a potter and clay. Potter jiggers the clay to make sure there are no lumps and then models it into a beautiful art structure. Similarly, a teacher may be hard on us sometimes, but at last they only want us to become the best version of ourselves. Dear teachers, you enroute us with the knowledge, basic values and determinism. You teach us how to face the problems in life with courage and a strong mind and heart. You have made us realize that there are infinite possibilities to make human life better, not only for oneself but also for society as a whole. I will take this opportunity today to say thank you. I know that it will never be enough to repay your blessings, but we assure you today that we will follow the righteous path you have shown us, and we will contribute a big part of our knowledge to the goodwill of this world. To celebrate the efforts of our teachers, we have planned to make this day memorable for you all. Many children have prepared different performances for you. I hope we can bring a smile to your face throughout the day. Hey friends, here the another speech is. Respected principal sir, teachers, dear friends and fellow students, very good morning to all of you. First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers present over here. Today, I am feeling extremely blessed to be able to carry on this valuable tradition of our society. We all have gathered here to celebrate the day which is dedicated to our hardworking teachers. This day is commemorated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of our country, as well as a great teacher. According to Radhakrishnan ji, true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. A teacher plays a backbone in the construction of society. He nurtures the naive child with his knowledge and experiences and turns it into a sincere, knowledgeable, responsible human being. A teacher is like a candle who burns himself to lighten up the whole world. He shows us the righteous path when we are directionless. Teachers have played a vital role in educating our society and making the world a better place. Our history also shows that we have considered our teachers above all in the world. We all have heard the story of Eklavya and Dronacharya ji. Eklavya gave his right thumb as a Guru Dakshina to Dronacharya ji. Even without a second thought, Guru Nanak Dev ji said that Guru Govind dohu kare कागे लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. It means if someday God and teacher both stand together, then I will first touch the feet of my teacher because my teacher has taught me about God. And how true is this? A teacher selflessly puts all his efforts to bloom a raw seed in the right direction. A teacher can be anyone who teaches us the various phases of life. A mother, a father, siblings, or any other person who gives us the knowledge and guides us through the right path is a teacher. At last, I would say that Teachers' Day is not only about celebrating our teachers but also about inculcating their values and carrying their teaching ahead to the coming generations. Thank you. Hey friends, here the third speech is. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and my dear fellow mates, good morning to all. We all have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day, and I feel proud to be able to welcome our prestigious teachers on this day. I want to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day and hope that this day brings you joy and happiness. India has always been a land of great teachers, from Aryabhatta to Dr. Many Kalam. Great teachers have emphasized the importance of a good teacher. Dr. Abdul Kalam has said teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillar upon which all aspirations are converted into realities. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan also said teachers should be the best minds in our country. Teachers play an important role in flourishing the coming generation and making them ready to be future leaders. Today, I want to thank all our teachers providing us with the best knowledge and guiding us through the different phases of life. You have helped us not only in academic performance but also in inculcating the basic values and a strong character of a person. Wherever we will be in our lives, we will make sure to help our nation and world to keep humanity alive. We will surely contribute to our progressive nation with the knowledge you have enlightened us. We will make you all proud, and that is the best gift a student can ever give to his teacher. And my dear friends, here is the essay in 300 words. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on the 5th of September to honor our selfless teachers for their valuable work. 5th September is the birthday of our former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who urged all over India to celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day to pay respect to the teachers. He loved the teaching profession. Teachers are the real holders of knowledge, information and prosperity, using which they develop and prepare us for our lives. The hand of our teacher is behind our success. Like our parents, our teachers also has a lot of personal problems, but still by passing all these he comes to a school and college every day and fulfills his responsibility well. No one thanks them for their valuable work, so as a student it is our responsibility to the teachers to thank them at least once in a year. We all need to heartily congratulate our teachers as an obedient student and thank him for his selfless service of teaching throughout life as well as for shaping the lives of our countless students. Teachers' Day, which is celebrated on 5th September every year, is a great occasion for all of us to thank them and spend a day with them. And here we go with an essay of 400 words. Teachers' Day is a great occasion to celebrate the joy of the relationship between teacher and student. In today's days, it is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm by teachers and students in schools, colleges, universities and educational institutions. Teachers get many congratulations from their students. In modern times, Teachers' Day is celebrated in a different way. On this day, students are very happy and in their own way congratulate their favorite teacher. Some students congratulate by giving a pen, diary, card, etc., while some other congratulate their teachers through social networking sites. Teachers do the work of nation building by building the future of citizens living in the country, but no one in society thought about the teachers and their contributions. But all this credit goes to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great leader of India who advised them to celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day. Every year 5 September is celebrated as Teachers' Day since 1962. Teachers not only teach us but they also improve our personality, confidence and a skill level. They make us capable that we can face any difficulty and troubles. Teachers' Day is a very special occasion for everyone, especially for a teacher and students. It is celebrated every year on the 5th of September by students to pay respect to their teachers. September 5 has been declared Teachers' Day in India. Our former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5 September 1888. So because of his love and attachment to the teaching profession, Teachers' Day is celebrated all over India on his birthday. He had great faith in education and was also famous as a scholar, diplomat, teacher and President of India. Let's know why Teachers' Day is celebrated in India. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birth of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first Vice President and second President of India. What is the role of teacher in our life? Teaching is the job of giving the knowledge to be successful in every field in our life. How can we celebrate Teachers' Day in 10 lines you have to describe? So we celebrate Teachers' Day to show our gratitude and respect towards our teachers. It is an annual celebration of the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan on 5th September. Guru Purnima is a variant of Teachers' Day celebrations in the Hindu calendar from June to July. And here is some information about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian philosopher and politician who served as the second President of India from 1962 to 1967 and first Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962. He was also the second Ambassador of India to Soviet Union from 1949 to 1952 and fourth Vice Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University from 1939 to 1948. And Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5 September 1888 at Thirutani and he died on 17 April 1975, Chennai. Presidential term 13 May 1962 to 13 May 1967. He won awards Bharat Ratna, Templeton Prize, Peace Prize of the German Book Trade, Order of Merit and many more. His parents were Sarvepalli Veeraswamy and Sarvepalli Sitama. His children was named Sarvepalli Gopal. Thank you.